Here. You got a video?
I'm filming it.
Do you? What? Are they going to go through the lights? Look at them. Oh my gosh, they're all going through the red light. What are they doing?
Mom, they want to stick together. They're like
What?
They're like wolves.
What? They're not going to stop? They're not stopping.
I don't mind. I think they should stick together.
Are they kidding? Are they kidding me? Stop.
They're best friends.
Sarah, they're going to die.
No one's gonna go.
But what? Sarah, is this a funeral?
Maybe.
It's a funeral.
That's a lot of.
Now this is gonna stop again. Sarah, this is stop again. What is going on? Oh, look at now they had to stop over here. What is the deal? You gotta be kidding me. Well, I don't see any flags on here. Or is this a funeral? Is this a funeral?
No, probably going to a motorcycle party.
They all went through the red light.
They're still going.
There's some more I gotta add to the pile. They all have black flags. Well, a lot of them did these black flag things on there. Oh, come on now, people. We're not gonna sit through another light. What is wrong with these people?
Mom, there's like 500 motorcycles.
What's wrong with them?
So they're just gonna go.
Stop, people!
Mom,
Look at this. I just can't believe it. I'm not gonna pull out and have 100 motorcycles hit the side of me. You should tell the police that this is really okay. 2 stoplights now. Seriously. Seriously. Look at this. What is going? It's endless. Gee, this person's gonna go out there.
What
Well,
are
no,
they doing?
now it's stopped for you people.
Yeah, what is...
Oh my, this is scary. I'm not gonna.
This person's gonna cause an accident because...
They are. Okay, so what have we gone through? 2 lights? Is this the 3rd light? Oh, there's actually the end here coming up. This Ford Taurus is ticked off.
Dude, can't they
You better
just have
not
a little
pull
bit of
out.
fun?
Here, look
This
at,
is-
they're almost done.
They need to get... Okay.
I'm worried this guy's just gonna go out there. Motorcycles can't stop on a dime. Here, there's the end right here. Oh, and these guys had to jump in. See, look at that. He's in the left turn lane. Now he's going to cut in front of. Oh,
Dude,
my
that person
word.
needs to
That
chill
person
out.
is just. Oh my gosh. What the heck was that? What just happened, Sarah?